I'm a huge advocate in any gun is better than no gun. And while maybe not perfect for self-defense, a lot of people carry a 22. Today we're going to see what's the best ammo to carry, hollow point or round nose. This is a Federal 40 grain round nose. This is a 36 grain CCI mini mag. We're going to shoot the same amount of jugs. Hopefully we'll catch the bullets. We'll see which one might work best if you carry a 22 pistol for protection. First up, we're going to do the Federal 40 grain round nose. And we'll take a look at that. All right, the Federal 40 grain went through the first jug. Boy, they don't lose a lot of water though. Second jug. There's the exit. Third jug, it started to deviate a little bit. Looks like it came out the third jug here and bounced off our board. So 3 jugs, but not very impressive for the damage done. We are going to give the CCI Mini Mag a try now. Okay, we are back. We are going to give the CCI Mini Mag a shot now. That actually looked a lot better. We'll take a gander. A lot more damage on the first jug. It exited the second. And I am not for sure, but we have a 22 mini mag bullet in here. We're going to try not to lose it. Here's the mini mag, and it did expand somewhat. Between those two, I think if I was going to carry a 22 long rifle pistol in my pocket or something, I would choose a high velocity hollow point just out of this. I mean, neither one of them are going to be huge man stoppers, but I would actually choose a high velocity hollow point if I was going to carry a 22 for self-defense. Thanks for watching.